everybody. Hope you guys are doing okay out there. Well, I'm back working on a small tiny home. What I'm doing now, these were holes, not for sure where they came from. Not came from, but why he drilled them. So I ran this yesterday for a outside junction box. I'm gonna have 2 of them. But what I want to show you guys, a little recap on what I've been doing since last time. We really didn't have a lot of time to record. So what I want to do is take you guys inside. You can see a video on what was accomplished so far. So let's go inside. And here, this used to be basically the whole entire, take off my glasses, these on. This used to be the whole entire trailer, excluding the back bedroom and the bathroom. This was the eating area, the cooking, and watching television. I don't think really had TVs back in those days. This camper here, a trailer, did not come with any kind of coaxial for television. I'm gonna start in the front. Right here at the bottom, well, this section here, this was what a kitchen table used to be. And it was a table with leaves on it on both left and right side. So I got rid of that and boxed it in. And now we have speakers. We have a fireplace that's remote control. And it gives off heat as well. Over here, this is for Sirius satellite, and to add additional jacks if someone wanted to play their music, they can run it through here, and that runs through a Bluetooth speaker. This trailer here is going to have voice control once I'm done. It's more of AI, artificial intelligence, where you can basically speak to it and turn things on, turn the main power off as well. In the event there's an electrical fire, this will sense there's a fire or whatever the case may be and shut the whole trailer down. So that's some of my projects that I do have in store. This here is a glass switch. Just basically tap on that using your finger. You need your finger, not your gloves. This is where it used to be the outside of a trailer back in the day, and this had what's called jealousy windows. Well, this is going to be an open space here with a ledge and a table on that side, a table on this side. This basically be a trailer for 4 for sleeping. I thought this was pretty cool here. Last year, I was thinking how I'm going to install a microwave, because this one here had an oven with one of those ledges on it, and that was basically an oven but no microwave. And what I did here, I installed the microwave from the roof down, in which I put this stainless steel to match it. I ordered that from Amazon. And this here microwave, push it to open. Right now I don't have it plugged in, but you can just pull it like that. It's more of a narrow type microwave. I call it a floating microwave just because it floats from the top. It hangs on the wall, but it floats from the top. There we go. A little bit of persuasion. There we go. This door here for the trailer is the old door, so I found this piece of barn door at a scavenger or a trailer that they was cleaning out around the corner, and I figured I can make it a new door using this here because I like how it looks. I think it'll be pretty cool. So let me get started with that. So until then, you guys take care of yourself, be good to yourself, and I hope you guys can continue watching my channel. Hit the subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up if you like. And then I'll bring you other tips, tricks, ideas, and also the renovation to the small, tiny home. I think it's going to be pretty cool. You guys take care. See you next time. Bye.